Welcome to session 6 of Word Power Made Easy. Here we are going to discuss in continuation. For example, the orthos. Ortho is coming from the Greek word and the meaning is to straight something or to correct something. In pedos we already know it is related to child. So orthopedist. Orthopedist means ortho means something to straight and pedos means child. So orthopedist means when a children is fall down and his bone is broken, so the doctor who is straightening the bones properly or correct the bones, he is known as orthopedist. So orthopedist is one who is straightening or correct a child. Orthodontia. Ortho means straight and dontia means teeth. So somebody is expert in straightening the teeth. So when somebody is putting a braces around the teeth, then he has to go to the orthodontia. Cardiologist. Cardio means heart and logist means science or study. And cardiac. Cardiac means condition refers to the malfunctioning of heart. And cardiogram. Cardio means heart and gram means electrically produced record of heartbeat. Cardiography. So cardio means heart and graphy means an instrument produces the record of heartbeat. Ocular. Ocular means it is related to eye. So monocle. Mono means one and ocal means eye. So monocle means a lens of one eye. Binocular. Bi means two and ocular means eye. So binocular means range of two eyes. Inoculate means when you are inoculated against disease, an eye is punctured and there is a serum is injected in the eye, then it is said that inoculate. Opto means eye and matrix means to measure. So somebody is measuring the vision, then he is known as optometrist. Now here is a root, here is a meaning and here is a word. Orthos. Orthos means straight or correct. So you can say orthodontist or orthopedic. Pedos means child and it is pediatrist. Odontos. Odontos means tooth. So dentist or orthodontic. Cardia means heart. So cardiologist. Logos means science. So gynecologist. Gyne means woman. Gynecologist means women doctor. Neuron means nerve. So neurologist. Elbows means pain. So neurology means pain related to the nerve. Osis means abnormal or disease conditions. So neurosis. Osis means something abnormal of the nerve. Itis means inflation. So neurotist. Psyche means spirit, soul or mind. So psychiatrist. And geras means old age. So geriatrics. Now I am going to use the words and I am going to pronounce the words. You have to pronounce with me. Orthopedics, orthopedic, orthodontia, orthodontics, orthodontic, cardiology, cardiac, cardiogram and cardiograph. Neurology, neurological, neuralgia, neurotist, neurosis, neurotic, psychosis, or you can say psychosis, psychoic, psychotry, psychiatric, geriatrics, geriatrician and geriatric. Now orthopedics. Ortho means straight and pedis means child. So somebody is straightening or correcting something related to the child. So this is the correct answer. Orthodontia. It is related to the teeth. So ortho means correct and dontia means teeth. Neurologia. Logia means it is related to the pain. So nerve pain. Neurotist. Neurotist means specially dealing with the problem of neurotist means inflammation of the nerve, and geriatrics means specially dealing with the medical problem of the elderly. Geria, geria means old. Cardiogram. Cardiogram means instrument of recording the heartbeat. Cardiograph. Cardiograph means record of heartbeat. Neurosis. Neurosis means mental mental imbalance. Psychosis, emotional disturbance, and psychiatry, treatment of personality disorder. A gynecologist patient are mostly men, no, women. So it's a false. Ophthalmology is a study of eye disease, correct? Orthopedics is specially dealing with the bones and joints. So ortho means straight. So you are going to straighten the bones. So true. Cardiac patient has a heart ailment, yes. A person with a bad eye may profit from orthodontia, correct. Neurology is a disease of the bones, no. Neuro means related to the nerve system. Neurosis is same as psychosis, no. Psychiatry is medical specialty that deals with the mental, emotional and personality disturbance, correct. The cardiograph is a device recording heartbeats, correct. Psychiatrist treatment is designed to relieve tensions, fears and insecurity, correct. A doctor who specializes in pediatrics has very old patient. Pedia means child, so child is never old, so false. And geriatrics has very young patient. Geria means old, so geria is an old patient, so this is also false. Can you recall the word specialist who straighten the teeth? So orthodontist. Nerve pain, neurologia. Medical specialty dealing with the bones and joints, orthopedics. Medical specialty dealing with emotional disturbance and mental illness is psychiatrist. Mentally imbalanced, neurotist. Pertaining to the heart, cardiac. Specially dealing with the medical problem of elderly means old people. So geriatrics. Instrument that records the heart action is known as cardiograph. Record produced by such instrument is known as cardiograph. Specialties in female element is gynecologist. Specialties in children disease, pediatrician. Specialties in eye disease is known as ophthalmologist. Specialties in emotional disorder. Emotional disorder means psychiatrist. Pertaining to medical treatment of elderly is geriatrics. Straightening the teeth. Teeth means dontia and ortho, so orthodontia. Personality disorder. Personality disorder means neurosis. Mentally unbalanced. Mentally unbalanced means psychotic. Principles of teaching, pedagogy. Inter means inside. Pedos means child. Pedis means food. Eros means leading. Demos means people. So we can have a word demography, derma. So skin, dermatologist. Hypodermis means under the skin. Ophthalmos means it is related to eye. Oculus, it is also related to eye. Opsis means view. Metron means measurement. Orthos means to state something or to correct something. Odontos means related to teeth. Cardia means heart. Logos means science or study. And neuron means nerve. Elgos means pain. Psych means mind. Iteria means medical healing, so psychiatria. Geras means something related to old, so geriatrics means a doctor of old people. Pedodontia. Pedo means child and dontia means related to teeth. So one who is straightening the teeth of child. We call the root cardia and algos. So cardia means heart and algos means vein. So cardiologia means heart vein. and odontologia means odonta means teeth and logia means pain. So it is teeth pain. And nota is a Greek word written from home. Can you combine this root of algos and pain to construct the English word homesickness? Homesickness means nostalgia. Nostalgia means homesickness. So here we are ending session number 6. Thank you very much. Again I advise you, download the PDF, watch the video and fill out the vacant boxes or fill in the blanks, and then you can check your knowledge. Thank you very much.